Logarithms, we start with a power. The power has an exponent, which is x, and a base, which is b. Okay? We take that power and we set it equal to a number. Okay? Alright. Sometimes I use this to say the base raised to the exponent is equal to the number, or hashtag. Hashtag is old people language for a number. Okay? And the way we translate this is we take the log base of the base b. So you take the base, whatever the base is, and you use it as the base of the log. Okay? Of a number, the number that it equals to, right? And it equals the exponent. Okay? So in other words, a logarithm is an exponent. That's all it is. A logarithm is an exponent. Okay? So all your exponential rules, remember all those rules? You multiply two powers, you add the exponents, right? You divide them, you subtract, you take a power of a power, you multiply. All that stuff is going to be, we're going to pull that out in all your logarithmic things. Okay? This is the same thing. If I take the log with the base, right, of a number, it equals the exponent. That's it. That's all I'm saying. That's it. That's a logarithm. That's all we're going to do. Okay? Let's show you an example. Right? Let's use the number 2. Because 2 raised to the 5th power, right, is equal to 32. In other words, 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, right, is equal to 32. Right? So if I wanted to do this, right, I would say that the log base 2 of the number 32 is equal to 5. Okay? Now, here's the problem. Most calculators, not all, but most calculators do not have a base b where you can just plug in any base. Most calculators have a base of 10, right? Because what base system do we use here in the United States and pretty much everywhere throughout the world now, except for a few tribal communities? We have a base system of 10. Okay? Now, some native tribes out there used to use a base system of 20. Some cultures, like the Chinese, use the base system of 8. Some used a base system of 5. But base 10 got eventually adopted. Right? Pretty much by the powers that be, right? Even the Chinese adopted the base 10 system. Okay? However, long time ago, they had base 8, base 20, base 5. Where did these come from? What bases did these come from? Anybody know?
Nope.
Think about it. Base 10. Base 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Right? Base 5. Oh, right there.
So off our hands.
Base 8. Right? So these are up here. And they're easier to deal with. Okay, I got these. Right? Base 8. Base 20. What? Oh yeah, we didn't wear shoes. We didn't have the moccasins. Right? We used our toes. Because, it was easier. I could use my toes and my fingers. Okay? So, in a computer, what do we use?
Keyboard.
Base 2. Base 2. Everything's based on a base 2 system. Zeros and ones. Okay? So, what we need to do is use a base 10 system. To change this to a base 10 system, I need to use one logarithmic rule. Okay? And the logarithmic rule is really easy. Log base B of A is equal to log A base 10 divided by log B base 10. And you notice I didn't write the 10 there? It's the same reason we don't write a 2 here. Okay? We don't write a 2 in the square root. We don't write a 10 in the log. Okay? It's the same reason. We just know it's there. Okay? So know it's there. What we're saying is that 10 raised to this number, whatever this number is equal to this. Okay? That's all. That's all it's saying. Alright? And then that way your calculator can do all the work. So this is the most important rule in logs. Now we're going to learn some other rules. Let's see if we learn those today. Another main rule, okay, is this one. Like I said, remember log base 10? Right? Now if I raise that to the 1 power, what does that equal?